Tara from livingonadime.com, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, which you can get in the description below. And today I'm telling you my $74 mistake.
What?
My huge mistake. So here's what happened. I started testing recipes for the sequel of my book that's coming out here in a couple of months, and the recipes weren't turning out right. They were burned on top, they were raw in the middle. I couldn't figure out what was going on, so I got an oven thermometer like this. And I put it in there and I realized, oh wait, I have my oven set at 350, but my thermometer says it's 250, and then my thermometer says it's 450, and then my thermometer says it's 350.
Yes.
And I was like, great. I'm testing all these recipes, nothing's turning out, I'm wasting a ton of money, and I need to get my oven fixed now. So I called a repairman, have him come out, and he put his digital thermometer in there.
He said, $1,500 unit.
He said, well, I hate to tell you this. He said, but these oven thermometers, which mine was brand new, are notorious for not working correctly. And sure enough, he had his thermometer in there, and my oven was working fine. Well, here's what happened. My oven has an automatic thing where it heats up to 350 degrees. It beeps and let me know that it's done. Well, it wasn't actually heated to 350 degrees. It was only to 250 degrees. So all I needed to do was let my oven preheat another 10 or 15 minutes to make sure it was actually at 350. And so what was happening was the broiler was coming on to heat my oven, to warm it up, burning the top of my stuff. But when I would go in and look, I would see my stuff was getting brown. So inside it was still raw because my oven wasn't hot enough. So learn from my mistake. Don't get one of these puppies. Big waste of money here. Cost me $74 service call. Now, since I've been letting my oven heat up, it's been working fine. Yeah, so learn from my $74 mistake. Dining on a Dime cookbook at livingonadime.com.